Reject Nunki, yes to Monkey? Actually, I approve that. Did you know... Okay guys, before my debut, I was really nervous, right? Well, I had a nightmare of monkeys. So I dreamed of my debut, right? Oh, hey, come on. Don't do this to me. And I... Fuck. Well, anyway, I dreamed that I was streaming, right? And after I got off the stream, I realized I was streaming monkey videos. Yeah, I was streaming monkey videos, and I panicked. I was like, wait, what? Where are the monkeys coming from? There were like monkeys everywhere. It's a huge nightmare. But thankfully it didn't happen.